last items on my bucket list, and I can say after today, God has given me so many wonderful opportunities, and I have to add this to one of those incredible opportunities. The weather is perfect. I'm in good health. I have lovely friends. And life is good. So it's going to be really windy, but we're going to get the view up ahead. Woo! It's like San Francisco! There's a bridge over the lake, over the fjord. So there's these little houses by the water, and I don't see any road to get to them. I think you have to go by boat to get to your house. There's a road on this side of the fjord. So I think I see Ulvik up ahead. We go up that area between that rock, and that's Ulvik. Well, this is where I'm going to be for a week. Hopefully we get more days like today, not rainy days, and I could go hiking up those mountains. Who knows, maybe I might even put my foot in the lake, in the water. We'll see how cold it is, I don't know. So we really slowed down as we come into port of Ulvik. And I believe I can see my little abode. It's supposed to be up on this hill somewhere. Well, I'm hoping that they may have a taxi, but I think there is also a bus to take me from the port over to where I gotta get out and get to my Airbnb over here, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to roll my luggage that far. Okay, I got off my ferry. I'm in Ulvik, and there's clouds coming in from that side, but this side of the fjord is glorious. It is truly like out of a dream or a movie. It's so surreal, almost. Well, there's a little church, so we have a whole week to discover this little town. Have a nice little restaurant here right on the waterfront. And then they have a waterfront hotel down there. And some nice boats, a sailboat, and then some motorboats. And views to die for. It's just amazing. Wow. Ulvik, yeah.